Hello friends, today we discuss about design the multiplexer using VLSI design. First of all, you have to know about what is multiplexer, how it works. So let's it is a combinational circuit design. It is a combinational circuit. It has many input and one output. Means this is multiplexer. You represent multiplexer by this mux. It has many input and one output. So please write down this. So here I was taken 2:1 means 2 bits multiplexer. Two is to 1 mux. There is 2 input A and B, and there is 1 output, and there is a selector S. This is A and this is B. So their truth table is this is 2:1. So there is 2 combinations, 0 and 1. And there is, if you, this is a selector. This is a input selector and this is output, means Y. So this is 2:1. If I take 0, then 0 and selector is 1, input selector is 1. If I take 0, so 0 or A means A. If I take selector input is 1, then 1 and B is B. So our Boolean expression is Y means output. Y output is A or A dash, means A S dash plus B S. So this is the Boolean expression. This is the Boolean expression of this truth table. So please write down this. This Boolean expression I have write here. Y output is A dash plus B dash. Firstly, you have to know about CMOS, basic digital circuit. This is CMOS VLSI, basic design circuit. Basic design circuit. So this is pull-up network and this is pull down network. and there is an inverter, and this connect to the output, y output, and pull up network is connected with VCC, means supply voltage, and pull down network is connected with ground. So please write down. This is a basic design circuit of CMOS VLSI. And pull-up network is contained as PMOS. It's contain PMOS, and pull-down network is contained of NMOS circuit. It's contain PMOS pull-up network, and NMOS contain its pull-down network. So how it's designed? Its content voltage input and its content ground. This is pull down network. This content, this is pull up network, and this is pull down network. Its content PMOS and its content NMOS. Content PMOS and its content NMOS. Its content NMOS. Its content PMOS. So here it is a voltage supply and it is a ground supply, and there is an inverted output. There is an inverted output. You have to reach output here. So this is pull up network. So, and my Boolean expression is y output is A dash plus B dash. A dash into B dash. So there is a buzzer inverter. It's represented like this, and there is no buzzer inverter. Pull-up networks contain buzzer inverter. So here A, I have input A, and here I have input S dash. So it's parallel. It's operate as a AND gate. It operates as AND operation. It's operate as an AND operation. So A dash, A dash, AND operation. And its content B S. Its content B and S, AND operation. And here A B this is the A S dash B S. This is AND operation content, and its content or type operation. Its content or its contents or operation, and content and its content and operation means multiply. So A and S dash parallel, so it's multiply. So A and S dash and B S is B and B dash, and there is I take A, there S dash and there B and S. It is connected in series, so OR operation is connected in series. So it's multiply A S dash, and this is connected in series to B S dash, and this is parallel to each other, so plus, and there is series to each other, so there is a region plus. This is the output, A S dash plus B S. This is basically VLSI design using a 2 into 1 multiplex, means 2 bits multiplex. Thank you.